Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay, and today I'm going to teach you lecture number 74 of MS Excel 2021. Today we will discuss a very important command, how to convert these numbers into date format within just a few seconds. We receive the actual data in this format. Although it appears to us that these are numbers here, they are not just numbers. They actually represent dates, months, and years. So, how will we convert this into the correct format? Today, we are going to study this in detail. So, as always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something new from today's video, don't forget to like and share it. So, let's start today's lecture. First of all, you need to select the data like this. After selecting the data, you need to go to the Data tab and then click on Text to Columns. As soon as we click on Text to Columns, a Convert Text to Columns dialog box will open in front of you. Here you need to click on Next, and on the next window that opens, you also need to click on Next, and after that, you need to click on Date here. After clicking on Date, the format we are currently using in this Excel is YMD, so we select YMD, and then you need to click on Finish. As soon as we click on Finish, you'll see a magic happen. See, as soon as we click on Finish, all the numbers have been converted into dates. That means you can see that first the month appears, then the date, and after that the year. So in this way, you can easily convert numbers into dates. And apart from this, if you have, for example, entered any data here that uses a comma, a tab, or an asterisk, you can also convert it into separate columns. For example, suppose I have entered some dummy data here. I wrote name, added a comma, then typed class, added a comma, typed roll number here, added a comma, and after that typed subject, comma, marks, comma, and total, then added a comma. Now see, all this data has been written here inside a single cell. We want this data, wherever we have inserted a comma here, to be added into separate columns accordingly. If we do it manually, it can take quite a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of data. To shift the data into separate columns, what you need to do is click on the cell where your data is written. After that, you need to go to the Data tab. After going to the Data tab, we will click here on Text to Columns, and then we will click on Next here. As soon as we click on Next, the second window that appears, in that you need to click on comma. Now see, as soon as we click on comma, pay close attention to the screen here. Wherever there is a comma, you will see columns appearing, vertical lines are showing up. Now, as we click Next and then Finish, you will see that wherever there was a comma, your data has now been added separately into different columns here. So in this way, you can shift complex data into separate columns. So this was my lecture for today, in which you learned how we can manage our data by using text to columns. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.